Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learning K-12 channel. In our last video, we learned about how to do addition of like and unlike fractions. In this video, we are going to learn about how to do subtraction of different kind of fractions. As you know, addition and subtraction of fractions involve the knowledge of LCM. So before we start the video, tell me, do you still remember what is LCM and how do we calculate that? If not, go through this link and understand how to do that. And then we will start the video of how to do subtraction of like and unlike fractions. Subtraction of fractions follow the same steps and same rules as by the addition of fractions. The first rule of subtraction of fractions is to make a common denominator of all the subtrahends. Like fractions have a common denominator already, as we discussed in our last video. So to subtract them, we just need to subtract their numerators and write the denominator as it is. For example, 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. But to subtract unlike fractions, first we need to find a common denominator for all the subtrahends with the help of LCM. Let us understand this with an example. Find the difference of 10 by 8 and 3 by 4. As we can see, the denominators of the two fractions given are 8 and 4. To find their difference, we must find a common denominator for both. And how do we do that? We need to think about a number that is a common multiple for both the numbers given. And the best way to do this is to apply our knowledge of LCM and find the least common multiple for the numbers 8 and 4. Now, the LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So, the common denominator found in this case is 8. Now, let us resolve the problem step by step. Step number 1. Find the common denominator for subtrahends, of course with the help of LCM, and in this case the common denominator is 8. Next step. Convert each subtrahend into its equivalent fraction while keeping LCM as their denominator. In our example, first subtrahend is 10 by 8, which has already the same denominator as LCM. So we don't need to change it into its equivalent form. However, the next subtrahend 3 by 4 needs to be converted into its equivalent fraction in order to bring the same denominator as LCM. Hence, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 and write its equivalent fraction as 6 by 8. Next step, since we have converted our subtrahends into like fractions, we can now easily subtract their numerators to get the difference. Therefore, 10 by 8 minus 6 by 8 is equal to 4 by 8. We can also convert our answer into its simplest equivalent fraction as follows. 4 by 8 is also equal to 1 by 2. So now we know how to add and subtract fractions. In the next video, we will learn about how to do multiplication and division of fractions. Till then, keep learning, keep applying your knowledge in the right direction, share the videos with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye. So you can always view our videos for what is fraction, what are the different types of fractions, what is LCM, and what is the importance of LCM. Bye bye.